Welcome back. Got a short one today. I got a comment asking if I was ever gonna do the regular FVJ mask, so I just wanted to showcase this one. I've been working on this one for a while, and I kept repainting it. But I like the way this one came out. So to everyone else who requested a mask video, just sit tight. I will be covering all of the requests. Thank you as always for watching, and I will be back soon.